When did you start like writing and everything?
I started writing. I was always a writer because I couldn't express. So I used to write a
Always
lot.
means since when?
जब से मुझे याद है, मतलब मेरे को ऐसा होता था कि क्लास में किसी से लड़ाई हो जाती थी तो उसको जवाब नहीं दे पाता था मैं, और फिर मैं बाद में सोचता था कि मैं ये बोल सकता था, मैं ये बोल सकता था, and then I used to pen it down. I don't know why. And then it became a thing. I started writing. I started rhyming things.
What age was this at?
स्कूल से शुरू हो गया था. और
And how do you just start writing? How does that happen? Like I listen to songs, I've never felt like writing a song.
I love writing. So it started with, पहले लिरिक्स नहीं होते थे, पहले इंटरनेट नहीं होता था, तो कोई गाना सुनते थे तो उसका लिरिक्स लिखते थे to sing along. It started from that. कि कोई गाना सुने, get down, pause, get down, play. तो पहले ऐसे पूरे लिरिक्स लिखते थे, फिर उनको याद करते थे, फिर स्कूल में सुनाते, फिर कूल होते थे. That's how it began. The want to be cool. Seek some sort of validation from.
I said the same thing, right?
On validation is looking at me. I'm like, what is going on?
Everybody seeks some sort of validation in a lot of people. And that's how it began, like writing. That's ऐसे शुरू हुई. तो फिर जब मैं चंडीगढ़ गया,
आप कहाँ से चंडीगढ़ गए?
दिल्ली से चंडीगढ़ गया.
Why?
कॉलेज, पंजाब इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में मेरा एडमिशन हुआ सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में, और वहां पर बहुत खूबसूरत चीज चल रही थी. The likes of Rishi Rich, Punjabi MC, Bali Sagoo, they were blowing up. And और मतलब हम ये सोच रहे थे यार हम कैसा म्यूजिक बना रहे हैं, वो कैसा म्यूजिक बना रहे हैं, हम ऐसा म्यूजिक क्यों नहीं बना रहे हैं. And these people on the other side of the globe were putting these sounds together. And it was just beautiful, like as an audience, like अभी भी goosebumps है वो सोच के कि यार ये. तो जब मैंने पहली बार डांस विद यू सुना ऋषि रिच का, तो जयशॉन का, मुझे पता ही नहीं था ये अपना बंदा है. एंड देन आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर इट मोर. तो जो कॉलेज की कंप्यूटर लैब थी, मैं उसमें गाने ही डाउनलोड करता था. टॉरेंट्स होते थे, लाइम वायर से गाने डाउनलोड करने. एंड पैशन बढ़ता गया. एक मिक्सिंग सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड किया, उस पर बीट्स बनाई और लिखा.
Okay, फिर so you started writing and then?
I started writing, I started making music, लोगों से मिला, and then I met, there was this guy in Chandigarh who was, so I was looking for the right music because I still did not know how to make music, And then I came across Honey, who was doing underground stuff in Delhi. Insane underground stuff. And I had heard of him because तब म्यूजिक पहुंच जाता था आपके पास, पर्सनैलिटी नहीं पहुंचती थी उस टाइम में. एंड दैट वाज अ बिग थिंग. तो मुझे उसका मैनेजर मिला. तो कहता ये तो उसने मेरा कोई रैप सुना, कहता ये तुमने किया. मैंने कहा, कहते कहाँ से हो? कनाडा. मैं नहीं से. पासपोर्ट भी नहीं था मेरा. बट ही वाज लाइक कि ये एक ऐसा लड़का है, वो म्यूजिक बनाता है. मैं कहा मैं जानता हूँ उसको, इंसेन म्यूजिक बनाता है. You should work together. We started working together. I used to write for him.
That was your first big break?
Yeah, like first big. अभी भी मैं I was doing my job. I was also government officer.
Really?
Yeah.
कहाँ पे?
Rich. मैं सुंदरनगर, हिमाचल प्रदेश.
And you also did
हिमाचल कहाँ पहुँच
engineering?
गया पाजी? चंडीगढ़ से हिमाचल
Yeah, he
कहाँ
did.
पाजी मैं
You completed your B.Tech?
I did.
पहुँचा? After college you went.
हाँ, कैट भी दिया, अच्छी परसेंटाइल भी आई, बट मेरी गवर्नमेंट जॉब लगी राइट आफ्टर आई वाज आउट ऑफ माय कॉलेज. फिर BBMB, भाखड़ा ब्यास मैनेजमेंट बोर्ड में I joined as an SDO, sub divisional officer. I was sent to a place called Baggi in Himachal Pradesh where I used to operate gates. तो tunnel और water canal gates, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनती थी.
So why did you go for that? You just like,
तब था नहीं ना मेरे पास कुछ, तो मेरे को जॉब तो करनी थी.
अच्छा, like that.
तो फिर शफल कर रहा था मैं उस जॉब के बीच में, और being with Honey and writing for him. And that's when I knew कि भाई जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो तो कोई और कर ही नहीं रहा है. मतलब कि हम तो फाड़ रहे हैं, like there's no one else who's doing it. और उस टाइम रैपर होते ही नहीं थे इंडिया में when we started. And you were young, you were like, we'll kill it. So that gave me a lot of confidence. और इतना कॉन्फिडेंस कि हम हैं और कोई है ही नहीं. और वो बॉर्डरलाइन सही भी होता है, बॉर्डरलाइन खराब भी होता है वो.
And the first song with Honey, you started script writing, and then when did you start doing your own
स्क्रिप्ट सॉन्ग राइटिंग.
songwriting?
हाँ जी.
और उसके बाद
फिर उसके बाद 2011 में वी पार्टेड वेज. एंड 2011 में फिर मुझे पता चला कि मुझे म्यूजिक बनाना सीखना पड़ेगा. Then I started learning production. Then I produced a song called Saturday Saturday, which was released locally in 2012, which went bonkers उधर दिल्ली में. पागल हो गए थे लोग. तो 2012.
This is the same song that
Yeah,
Varun
that's
and
what-
Alia.
So that's the same song.
Okay, okay.
So 2012 it blew up. 2013 Varun and Shashank were partying in a club in Chandigarh. Shashank Khaitan is the director of the film. So they heard the song, they tried to replicate it. They couldn't. So Dharma called me up. They were like, oh, Saturday Saturday आपका है. I was like, yeah. कहते ये गाना हमें चाहिए. Like, ले लो. कहते आप बॉम्बे आ जाओ. गट्स देखो. हाँ, मैंने कहा गाना आपको चाहिए तो आप चंडीगढ़ आ जाओ. That was the sort of confidence that we were riding on. But then we developed a good plan. That's how it. फिर एक के
No,
बाद
no, one second. वो चंडीगढ़ है कि आप
आया.
गए वो?
You
वो
know
आए.
Azim?
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ, वो आया.
who is Azim?
Music supervisor for Dharma.
Yeah.
And then how did it change? Okay, your song was picked up by Dharma, and then
And then वो बड़ा हो गया. फिर
they put it in a movie.
they put it in a movie. But my first big break was a song called Abhi To Party Shuru Hui Hai.
I've heard this song, of course.
Yeah. And
Yeah, I was about to say that I didn't like of course I knew Saturday Saturday the rap, but I didn't know you had produced the whole song.
yeah, so I produced it with one of my friends who taught me how to produce. Sachit Takkar. Shout out.
Because I remember the rap in that,
Yeah. Cool.
which
also.
is very cool. Yeah.
How hard is it to learn how to produce? If I was a young kid and I want to produce my own song,
Not really hard. A month would, if you're totally into it. in
how
a
do I
month.
learn it?
YouTube. Tutorials.
So
you
I
can
go
learn how
to-
to make a bomb.
How to make a?
Bomb.
So I go to Slice, I learn how to make a beat.
Splice.
Splice.
No, you go to YouTube first. I'll suggest you go to YouTube, learn production. And once you learn the intricacies of production, you go to all these websites that give you samples. So you
Is
know,
it expensive to buy the equipment needed?
no.
No?
All you need is a laptop and a MIDI. मैं कल ही स्पीकर लाया हूँ, लाइक जिस पे आप मेरा फाइनल आउटपुट सुनते हो, मैं उन स्पीकर्स पे मिक्स करता हूँ. 12,000 rupees.
Yeah. So what would you say to a young budding me who wants to produce a song? Some tips?
क्यों करना है?
मुझे बादशाह बनना है. I want to become
do
popular and
it.
rich.
Don't do it.
Why?
Get into stocks if you want to be rich.
बहुत मुश्किल है. But same answer, बहुत मुश्किल है.
नहीं, मतलब बादशाह क्यों बनना है आपको? Do you like, are you passionate for music? क्या अगर मैं तेरे को बोलूं, मना करूं, डांटूं कि साले नहीं करना और कल तू फिर करे, then you should do it.
So I should have an innate.
100%. Then you will be a successful one. Time लगेगा. And it's all a matter of time. Jay-Z once said that the only genius thing that I did was not giving up. If you're truly passionate, then I think it's only a matter of time. And that's the biggest challenge, I think.
It's a beautiful line, though.
Yeah. He's got some crazy quotes.
Yeah.
One of his quote, which is not actually his, but
Something that I also just said, but I think it's the same story when you're like,
it's all about not giving up. And वो पता है किस पे depend करता है? I think that depends on your passion. There is no other way to define it. If you're really passionate, आप तब भी म्यूजिक बनाओगे जब आपको कोई सुनेगा, तब भी बनाओगे जब नहीं सुनेगा.